Hello everyone, welcome back with Khan. So I hope you all are quite good. Thank you for clicking on my video. Yeah, today we are going to look at some sounds that human are capable of producing, that kind of sounds. Yeah, but you are not uttering words that come out from your mouth, but vocal cord produce such kind of sounds. Yeah, vocal cord. Yeah, so what we are waiting for, so let's get started. Okay, here you go. Burp, burp. Burp mean when you eat a lot of food and after eating a lot of food, then you start to burp like this. Dakar जिसको बोलते हैं, but I'm not good at producing sounds, yeah. But definitely आपको समझ आ गई होगी कि burp क्या होता है, ठीक है. इसका एक और है जिसको belch भी कहते हैं, लेकिन it's up to you whether are you gonna use belch or burp, yeah. Then after that, hum. Hum mean when you're trying to sing something. Yeah, when you're trying to sing, like I like humming during cooking, like then next one is sigh. Thank God I found the lost ring. Yeah, so you can say like that जब आप अपनी आह भरते हो. Oh, thank God. This one, yawn. Oh my God, I'm stretching my arm as well. I'm so sleepy. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, I'm feeling tired, so that's why I yawn. जिसको जुमाई कहते हैं, ठीक है. Then after that, this one, slurp. When you think that something is so tasty, or when you drink something, or when you eat something, then you produce such sound. So this one is slurp sound. Slurp. One is giggle. Giggle means like silly laugh. Yeah. So there are some girls who really like to giggle. Yeah. There are girls who are giggling like like. So that next one is whistle. Whistle. I'm also trying to. So there are some people who also create some music with whistle. Yeah, like I'm not good at it. Yeah. The next one is cough. Excuse me. Oh, let me crook my arm and this one is the best way. Yeah, so इसको खांसी बोलते हैं, ठीक है. Then next one is sneeze. This one cracking fingers like this. But टखनियार जिसको कहते हैं, टखनियार निकालना, something like that. Yeah. Is cracking knuckles. Then this one, smacking lips. Yeah. Then this one, wink. And this one, blink. My eyes are blinking. And this one, twitch. Twitching mean like आँख फड़क जाती है जब आपकी. Twitch, उसको twitch बोलते हैं. You can say twitch. Then for sniffing, sniff. Like sniff. जो सूंघते हो जब आप कोई like when you want to have some tasty food, or you say like you test it like this, sniff. Yeah. This one. This one, tickle जब आप गुदगुदी करते हो, tickle. Oh my God, don't tickle me please. This one, scream. Hey, listen to me. Are you here? Scream. Are you coming? Yeah, so I'm screaming, चिल्लाना. Then this one, gargle. Gargle. This one, blow, blow. And this one, like when you are licking something, lick. And this one, grind teeth, grind teeth. जब आप दांतों के जरिए आप गुस्सा दिखाते हो, like this. This one, crunch. Like this. And this one, gasp or pant, you can say. Gasp mean like जब आपका जो सांस फूल जाता है, like oh my god, I am running, like this. Yeah, it's gasping. Fart, fart. Oh my god, you farted, sis, smelly. You farted. It means a gas, which is would just emit from your body. So जब गैस खारिज हो जाती है उसको fart बोलते हैं. Fart. Oh my god, you farted. Smelly. Then growl. Such kind of sound. So you definitely ये मुझसे create नहीं हो रहा है. So when you try to produce such sounds, growling वाला, तो उसको growl कहते हैं. Growl. Yeah. So let's close your eyes. Open your eyes. Stare. Wink. Blink. And note. Note mean when someone asks you, are you going with us? Then you nod your head. Shake your head. No. When you say no, then you are going to shake your head. Take it off. Put on. Rub your hand.